In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge customers in Shopify efficiently, helping you streamline your customer information for better management. Whether you're tidying up duplicate entries or refining your customer database, merging customers can simplify things significantly and make your business operations more organized. This feature is especially useful if you've had customers place orders using different email addresses or if your data has become cluttered over time. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with various options. This is your main navigation area. Within this panel, find and click on Customers. This action will take you to a comprehensive list of all the customers in your store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this list, as it holds all the treasured information relevant to your business, including names, email addresses, order histories, and locations. Having clean, accurate customer data not only helps with customer relationship management, but also enhances your marketing and retention strategies. Now, the task at hand is to identify the customers you wish to merge from this list. To do this, simply check the checkboxes next to the names of those customers. Correctly selecting these entries is vital, as the merge feature will consolidate the data into a single, unified customer profile. This step is particularly useful if you have entries for the same customer with variations in their name, email, or phone number. For example, John Doe and J Doe might actually be the same person using two different emails. Merging ensures you don't lose any valuable data while eliminating unnecessary duplicates. Once you have carefully selected the customers, direct your attention to the top right corner of the table list, where you'll find an icon composed of 3 dots. This icon represents additional options that aren't immediately visible in the standard toolbar. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu with more actions. From this menu, select the Merge Customers option. This process will consolidate the selected customer profiles into one, effectively combining their order history, addresses, and any other associated data. Before you confirm the merge, Shopify will prompt you to review which customer profile will be the primary one, meaning this profile will remain active after the merge. Make sure to select the version with the most accurate and up-to-date details, such as the most recent email address or preferred contact information. It's a good practice to double-check the data before merging, since this action cannot be easily undone. Once confirmed, Shopify will merge the profiles, ensuring all purchase records and communications are neatly stored under a single customer account. It's a straightforward yet powerful feature that propels you toward better customer management and data accuracy. Having one unified record per customer makes your life easier in several ways. It prevents duplicate marketing emails from being sent to the same person. It ensures all past orders are visible in one place, giving you a clearer view of a customer's purchase behavior. It helps personalize your marketing campaigns by accurately tracking spending and preferences. It improves customer service. Your team can view a complete history when assisting the customer with returns, inquiries, or support requests. And there you have it. Your customers are successfully merged, eliminating duplicates and refining your data all in a few simple clicks. This function not only enhances the clarity of your customer database, but also contributes significantly to your store's operational efficiency. Remember, maintaining a clean customer database is an ongoing task that pays dividends. Here are a few pro tips to keep your database in great shape. Regularly review your customer list to spot duplicates or inactive accounts. Use tags and segments in Shopify to categorize customers like VIP, wholesale, or frequent buyer for better targeting. If you use external tools like Klaviyo or MailChimp, ensure your merged customer data syncs properly with these platforms to avoid duplicates in your email lists. Taking a few moments each month to tidy up can truly lead to long-term benefits, improving your business insights and customer relationships. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial on merging customers in Shopify easy to follow and useful for your daily operations. A clean, organized customer list not only saves you time, but also helps you provide a smoother, more personalized shopping experience for your customers. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore more tutorials or contact Shopify support for additional assistance. Until next time, happy selling, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tips and tricks to keep your store running efficiently.